Feeling bored with your everyday hairdo? Discover the secrets to instantly achieving chic, eye-catching, and charming messy hairstyles with minimal effort. 1. Modern Messy Low Bun. This style is perfect for a sophisticated, yet relaxed look, ideal for both the office and a casual evening out. It works wonderfully for women with medium to long hair seeking an elegant upgrade from a basic ponytail. The intentional asymmetry and texture add an element of cool girl charm. It's an excellent choice for second-day hair, boosting volume and hiding oiliness effortlessly. 2. Effortless Half-Up Messy Top Knot. The ultimate style for instantly lifting and defining the face. It's incredibly versatile for casual weekend looks or adding a youthful edge to a dressier outfit. Ideal for showcasing natural hair texture and keeping hair out of the face during active days. It offers the perfect balance between polished and perfectly unkempt. 3. Textured Messy Braid. A beautiful style that softens facial features and adds incredible dimension to the hair. Perfect for masking frizz in humid weather while still looking intentionally styled. This style is surprisingly robust and maintains its shape well throughout the day. It's a great option for thicker hair, allowing you to control volume in a stylish way. 4. Messy High Ponytail with Volume. The ultimate power hairstyle that immediately elongates the neck and creates a fierce, energetic silhouette. It adds drama and movement to otherwise flat hair, elevates the everyday ponytail into a fashionable statement. It's an excellent method for gathering all your hair securely while maintaining a soft, romantic feel. 5. Chic Bedhead Waves. This is the quintessential effortless look, requiring minimal styling time for maximum impact. It is flattering on almost all hair lengths and adds a touch of casual glamour. The soft movement of the waves balances sharp facial features beautifully. It's the go-to style for a relaxed yet confident personal brand. 6. Pin Back Side Braid. An elegant way to deal with short layers or bangs, offering a fresh, refined detail without committing to an updo. It works beautifully to highlight jewelry or earrings. This style is perfect for adding a bohemian touch to long, free-flowing hair. It creates an attractive focal point and adds structure to loose waves. 7. Topsy-Turvy French Twist. A modern, less stiff take on a classic updo. It's sophisticated enough for a formal event, but the messiness keeps it feeling youthful and approachable. This style is excellent for adding vertical height and structure to the overall silhouette. It's particularly flattering for those with fine to medium hair seeking volume. 8. Deconstructed Bubble Ponytail. A trendy and playful style that looks complex but is surprisingly simple. It adds a dramatic, cascading effect to long hair and works well for a creative look. This look is perfect for showcasing multi-tonal hair colors, as the bubbles emphasize the different shades. It's a great way to keep super long hair manageable and stylish. 9. Messy Pigtail Braids Adult Version. A whimsical and fun style that provides a youthful energy without looking childish. It's an ideal choice for festival looks or adding a playful element to casual wear. The messiness is key here, adding texture and making the style look relaxed and chic instead of schoolgirlish. Excellent for controlling very thick or highly textured hair. 10. Sleek Front, Messy Back. This juxtaposition of textures is incredibly modern and impactful. It's a great way to emphasize cheekbones and provide a structured frame for a naturally curly or textured ponytail/bun. Perfect for showcasing an edgy or artistic hair color. The sleek top section provides a clean canvas, letting the wild messiness in the back really stand out as a statement.